So when we subtract with renaming, I'm going to show you an example of this, and I'm going to show you what all the kids do that make mistakes when we first start doing this. So we're subtracting mixed numbers with renaming. So yesterday we went over this and we had fractions that worked out perfectly for us. And it was pretty easy to understand. But what if I had 2.5 minus 1 5/6? What would your first step be to do this? Yes, Colin.
Figure out if one, what is
Least common denominator. Good. So I'm going to figure out the least common denominator. Some of you guys are already saying 6 in your head, and some of you guys are still at the point where you need to come out here and list out the multiples. It's okay if you're still doing this. You won't be doing this by the time we get done. 2, 4, 6, 6. And I have my least common denominator right there to help me out. So now I'm going to change the 2.5. And I'm going to dress that half up as 6. I know 1/2 is equivalent to 3/6. When we get to this point, can I do 3/6 minus 5/6?
No.
You can, but it takes you to a negative number, which you're going to be doing next year. This year, if you're getting negative numbers, that means you're doing something wrong, okay? I'm not going to give those to you right now. Maybe at the end of the year, I'll give you a preview of what's to come. But for right now, you guys know you can't do 3/6 minus 5/6 in 5th grade. So this is where the renaming business comes in. So I'm going to ask you guys, when you get to these problems, I want you to rewrite your problem again. You'll see in a second why I want you to do this. So I'm going to rewrite it 2 3/6 minus 1 5/6. The reason why I have you rewrite it is because you have to convert both of these mixed numbers into improper fractions. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 5 is 11. 6, good. Can I do 15 minus 11 now?
Yes.
Yeah, it's easy. I get 4, 6. Can I leave it like that?
No.
No. If you've got it even on the top and bottom and you don't know what to do, always divide by 2. Are you saying it in your sleep yet? I am. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2/3 is my answer. Now I'll tell you what the number one mistakes are when we start doing this. I have kids do 3/6 minus 5/6 is 2/6. 2 minus 1 is 1. And they tell me that their answer is 1 2/6. Yikes, right? If your answer is 1 2/6 and you did this, this is a big no.
No way, Jose.
Can't do it, all right?
Yes.
There will be someone who does this today. It's okay, I'll give you a hug, it'll be all right. I also have some kids that do this and they get to the 2/3 and they understood me here, but then they do the 2 minus 1. Sailor, can I do that?
No.
No, why?
Because when you do the Texas method, those go invisible.
Yeah, when you do the Texas method thing here and you make the improper fraction, that 2 is gone. It is 1 with the 15/6. It is part of that. It does not exist anymore. You took that 2 whole away and you put it into a fractional form. When you do the Texas method, 2 3/6, it's like taking that 2 and splitting it up into 6/6 plus 6/6 plus 3/6 And then adding all these together, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 3 is 15 6. If we did this every time, would you be writing a lot of numbers down?
Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah, who wants to do that? But do you know what it looks like? We can check the box and say we see what it looks like. We're going to do the race car way to get us to the right improper fraction. Okay? You cannot do 3 6 minus 5 6 and 2 minus 1. Do not do that. Okay? If your answer is 1 2/3, these are my no's, okay? Make sure that you don't try to subtract these numbers after you create the improper, okay?